Hey guys, for this video I have some Amazon deals to share with you. Everything is going to be linked down below. Some really good stuff, up to 50% off with the promo codes, the sale prices, some of the brand names you know and love, some you've never heard of, but all amazing deals. Again, they're all going to be linked down below. Before we get into this security camera deal, I have one thing I want to show you. The first thing we're going to check out is this mini key solar bird feeder camera. They sent this to me so I can include it in the video, but they also gave me a high value promo code. We appreciate the big promo codes, almost 50% off. So if we take a quick look at this guy here, you can see there's solar panels right in the roof right there. It also comes with, you can see off to the side here, an auxiliary additional cable. Now that plugs in with the USB-C. So like in my scenario, I'm just going to leave that off to the side. I'm going to let it charge with these solar panels in the roof. I have other security cameras, might use that for those. But it comes with this little platform. This is for hummingbirds, which is really cool. I haven't seen this out of other bird feeder cameras before. So you put a little sugar water mixture in there, or you can buy nectar, and hummingbirds will come up to that, get up close and personal with those. You got these little spiky guys. Both of these come off if you don't want to use them, but you got these little spiky guys. Put like oranges or something, you might get some Orioles coming up to your bird feeder. And then for the main portion of the bird feeder, this back portion just pops up like so, and you just fill it up with all your bird seed, whatever you got, and right there. So if you wanted to plug in that extra camera, you have that. You have your antenna. Connects to the Vivo Home app, so you can get notifications, you can do live viewing. This actually might work really slick as a security camera because people are looking at it thinking it's just like a bird feeder and that's it. It has two-way audio, has an alarm on it. I mean, it has all the stuff, so you could talk to someone who is in front of this camera or something if you wanted. And then the mounting is this little bracket. It goes on the bottom right there, that screw hole, so you can turn it left to right. It can be mounted on a post, you can mount it on a tree going through these grooves with the included strap, or these holes here. It comes with the hardware where you could screw it right to something. Really cool. I love these little cameras. I think it's cool. I got a whole little bird pit you guys have seen in other videos where I got a bunch of different bird feeders and bird houses and everything. So for me, this is really cool. If you know someone who likes feeding the birds, or if you'd like to see them a little up close, because, you know, from the feeder, unless, what, you got binoculars or something? They're so far away you can't see them. Anyways, guys, it's almost 50% off. It's going to be under $50. Great gift idea. Watching the birds. We're getting old. It's an old person thing to do, and we love it. So that will be linked in the description down below with all the other deals that we're going to get to right now. And then for this deal, we have the 2-pack of 2K solar security cameras, wireless, outdoor, no monthly fee, 100% wire-free, color night vision. Let's see, passive infrared person detection, waterproof by SYMYNELEC. So again, this is a 2-pack. You get the solar panels to go with it to keep them all charged up. 2K quality, $55.99, but we have a 30% promo code that's supposed to go through the end of the month, only a couple of weeks away, so hopefully it will last that long. But take 1/3, it's a little less than $20. Let's say they're $35, and then you're getting two of them. It's $20 a piece. Easy, simple rounding. We're going to call them $20 a piece on the cameras. But either way, really good deal. Love the security cameras, motion censored, solar powered. Don't have to run any kind of Ethernet or power over Ethernet or power cables. Nothing. Just aim it at what you want to see if someone's creeping, and you're good to go. That's all you got to do. Next up, we have the 300-watt portable power inverter compatible with DeWALT or Milwaukee. We have two different products I'm going to show you on the page. 20-volt DC to 110-volt AC power stations. You're getting 2 AC outlets and 3 USB ports. You also get the Type-C port. This is by Ecarke. We've seen these guys a lot for these brand-compatible tools. They have a bunch of different options when it comes to this. This little slide-on adapter, actually, those look like USB ports on the side of it, and then there's USB ports here, and then we have these AC ports. So kind of a collection of things going on, but connected to the cable, which is kind of nice. You could almost mount this somewhere, then have the battery somewhere else. Of course, the battery is not included. This specific one works for the DeWALT, and that's at $29.55, and then the Milwaukee one, $29.99. Red for red, yellow for yellow. Each of these have a 30% coupon on the page, so about $10 off. You'll be really close to $20 for either of these guys. 300-watt inverters using your cordless tool batteries, or buy a generic DeWALT or a generic Milwaukee, and you'll have the whole setup without even owning like a genuine DeWALT tool. You could so easily do that nowadays. They got the chargers, they got the batteries, they got a million different tools. All yellow and black, not a DeWALT to be seen. Fuel transfer pump, battery powered high flow auto stop for diesel and kerosene. 10-foot suction, 20-foot lift. That's some good lift. Coming with the 4 amp hour battery by SEESII. You guys know them, you love them. Seen a bunch of CC deals on the channel. I actually have one more I'm going to show you later on in the video. They are compatible with the Makitas. So if this 4 amp hour battery goes bad or it goes dead and you need, to keep working and don't want to wait for it to charge, you can use your Makita 18-volt batteries on all the CC stuff. But I love this. You got a tractor or anything using some diesel. Great way to fill her up. $129.99, but we have a 34% promo code, so it's going to take $40 or so off. And then it stacks with a $10 coupon on the page. So we're double dipping on those deals. Have a couple of days to still take advantage of that. But if you're like in my scenario, that Kubota, you fill up the diesel on top of the hood. That's like almost up to my head. Really hard to hold up a 5-gallon can of diesel over your head and then try and pour it in a tiny little hole. Not fun. You gotta have something like this, or just spill your $6 a gallon diesel all over the ground. Do you, but it won't take long for you to spill enough diesel to pay for the pump. Got the DeWALT 18-gauge brad nails. This one actually confused me. I feel like I'm missing something, okay? Like, what am I not seeing? What is in front of my eyes that I cannot see? So these are the 18-gauge brad nails. They are 1 inch, I believe. It doesn't say here, but in the listing it does. 2,500 quantity on Amazon right now for $367. Home Depot, same model number, $1778. What am I missing? One other thing on this deal is I posted this yesterday and it was $367 yesterday. It's crept up to, I think it was $511. So just a little bit more expensive than when I first posted it, but still really good compared to Home Depot. And I still feel like I'm missing something, but I can't figure it out. Another DeWALT deal for you, the 20-volt max XR multi-tool kits, the oscillating tool with all the blades and accessories and everything. 6-speed, this is the XR version, comes with the 2 amp hour battery. You're going to get 1.2 with that. It's probably the DCB 107 charger. That's usually what they would pair with the small battery. So it'll take a little over an hour to get a full charge on that battery. But go for like a DCB 115, 1104, or 1106. Those would be probably my favorite chargers. Anyway, you're getting 3 blades, the backing pad or whatever for the sandpaper and everything. Again, XR, toolless blade change. Love that. You just pull the little spring-loaded lever right there. Then the trigger is kind of like a dual purpose kind of thing. You can pull it high, you can pull it low. It's great. It's only going to be $99. Look at some of these comparables. Ace Hardware, $259. Acme Tools, $259. Huge discount on Amazon right now. And again, it's the XR. A lot of times we'll see another kit that doesn't come with the accessories, and it's a 1.5 amp hour battery, and it's not the XR version, and sometimes that's $99. Sometimes we'll see the XR as a bare tool down to $99, but you don't get this kit at $99. I think it even comes with a little box. Don't hold me to that, but I feel like it's a little tough case, whatever box. It might not, but I feel like I saw it with it. Another CC deal for you, the Cordless Drill Toolkit, 190-piece power tool combo kit. So you're getting the drill with the battery. It's a little 2 amp hour battery, but that's not too bad for the drill. Drill does fit in the case with all your other tools. You got the pruners and adjustable pliers, adjustable wrench, adjustable wrench. the other pliers, hammer, all the little knick-knack stuff. Starts out at $59.99, but 40% off, so it's going to be about $28 off. Is that close? That might be close. That's not totally right, but it's close. Not sure when it expires. It is good right now. But again, it is the full kit. Get yourself a drill to go with your pump. SEESII has so many cordless tools, and because it works with your 18-volt Makita stuff, you have like an entire lineup. If for whatever reason SEESII is missing something that you definitely need, just get the Makita variation version for that. Otherwise, well, I've been really happy with that. And it's been really popular with you guys, so it's been a good deal all around the SEESII stuff. FrogTape. ProGrade orange painter's tape, 1.5 inch wide. This is a 4-pack, 60 yards a roll, 4 rolls, orange FrogTape, painter's tape. It's only going to be $10.56, normally $21, so it's about half off right now. You don't want to pull off the underlying paint, like a section of the drywall. Like when I put that nano tape on the wall, rip the whole drywall to shit trying to get that tape off. Yep, stuck pretty good. Don't use so much. That was a different tape. That was not this tape. You wouldn't want to use that nano tape as painter's tape. It's more like a paint removal tape. 10-piece ratcheting wrench set, SAE and metric by DISEN. Premium CRV steel, 12.72 tooth. You're getting 5 metrics, 5 SAEs. Look at all these reviews. 1,900 reviews and 5 out of 5 championship belts. So people are really liking these. Your SAEs are going from 3/8 up to 5/8. Your metrics starting at the old 10 millimeter, which I know you need, all the way up to 15 millimeter. They are on sale normally $35 down to $22.73. No coupon or promo code needed. Just a little sale price, but 10 total wrenches for $22. That's like $2 a wrench. And ratcheting. Plus, they got a ton of really good reviews, so we feel pretty good about it. Love these little kits. Lots of companies have them. We do get them on promo code sales every once in a while, but they are good to have. Throw it in the drawer. 23-in-1 magnetic T-handle ratchet screwdriver set. Portable ratchet bit set extension rods by Acelnbrk. Handy dandy case. This guy's ratcheting. You can put the bit on either end. You can put it in the middle. Comes with all the bits. Really handy to have. $19.99, 25% off. That's $5. It's going to be $14.99. Of course, free shipping for the Prime members. Handy dandy case, all the bits, ratcheting driver. Always got to throw in some apparel for you guys. Keep looking fresh and snazzy. A 3-pack men's sleeveless shirt. Suns out, guns out. UPF 50 workout tank top, fast, dry, and breathable, lightweight by Zitty. Of course, it comes in different colors and sizes on the Amazon page if you want a different combo. Not feeling the pink. $19.99, 41% off. Love that. Couldn't be 40, couldn't be 45, couldn't be 50. Had to be 41. So you almost cut it in half. It's going to be a little more than $10 for 3. Portable waist undershirt fan, 23-hour working time, 6,200 RPM, strong airflow by Yeetie. Get out the Yeeties. Portable waist undershirt fan, rechargeable. Love these guys. Still got a couple of months of hot-ass weather out there. You can dry that sweat going down your back, or dry the sweat that already made it to your crack, depending if you want to blow up or blow down. $16.79, another 41%. Did I mess that up, or did 2 companies do 41%? Boy, that doesn't seem likely, does it? Doesn't seem likely. I probably messed one of them up. It's possible, though, not impossible. $8.24. Got like a week to take advantage of this guy. Of course, you guys know you click right there. It automatically copies the promo code to your device, so you can paste it at the checkout. Was this code the same? Let's see. Nope, they're different codes, so I at least probably have that part right. They might both be 41%. Boy, would that be odd. Next up, 18-pack heavy-duty garage hooks steel wall mount storage hangers by Nacial. Love everything storage. Can't get enough of it. Now these start at $39.99, but that is way too much. We got a little healthy promo code I'll show you here in 1 second. But comes with all the hardware, comes with 2 Velcro straps. I love those. I was using the shit out of some of those reusable Velcro straps. If you guys remember about last week, we posted a huge package of them that you got for like $4.99 or whatever. It was just the Velcro straps. Not exactly like those, but pretty similar. Hanging up my string lights outside, and there was like a temporary setup, almost like Christmas lights would be a temporary setup, and just wrapping them around the awning thing. Oh man, super easy. Better than zip ties. Didn't have to go around cutting them all off and wasting them afterwards. Get to reuse them. Anyways, that was a different product. We're talking about these wall mount hangers right here. Comes with all the hardware. You get the hook style. You got these longer ones. You got the ones with the ripples, little wave effect going on there. All your garden tools. $39.99, 50% off is going to be $19.99 for 18. Dremel 11-piece carving and engraving accessory micro kit. Micro means small. $9.98 on sale, normally $20. If we look at some of the comparables, Acme Tools is also at $9.99, but they're going to charge you $6 for shipping, so it's going to be about $16 from them. Home Depot's $19, Ace Hardware's $20, and JB Tools out of their damn fool mind at $39. So, real nice deal. Prime members getting that free shipping, getting crafty, doing your carving and engraving with the Dremel. That fine detail work. Above my pay grade for sure. Mini 15,000 milliamp hour portable charger power bank for Apple. I think it'll work for other things as well. Power delivery 22.5 watt by Copink. Normally $18.99. Charger for your Apple Watch plus power delivery USB-C and operate iOS cable. $18.99, 30% off. It's going to be about $6, a little more than $6 off. You'll pay $12. Let's say it's $12. Okay. Always got to have the portable power bank at hand. Klein Tools outlet tester, LCD display, electric voltage tester, standard 3-wire, 120 volt electrical receptacles. Electrical receptacle, that's a tongue twister in a way. So you got the screen, tell you all your things, test your GFCI, trip it, like, okay, it works good, grand, perfect. Tell you how you messed up your wiring, which is amazing. It's only $16. I'd really recommend it at this price, because if you look at these other ones, everyone else has it at $25, so it's a pretty good discount. Considering Klein Tools don't go on sale a whole lot unless it's getting totally clearanced out, which this doesn't appear to be since everyone else has it at full price. Typically, they don't have huge discounts. Also, some of their stuff is expensive as shit. So here you get like a quality, nice Klein tool that you can know, love, and trust, and it's only $16. You know, you might not be able to get one of their multimeters because you'd have to like take out another mortgage on your house or something. But this one, I mean, this is like a gallon of gas. Close enough. And this is just the page on my website. But we happen to be on the bird feeder that we talked earlier about, which I'm a big fan of. I'm going to go hang this up outside as soon as we get done with the video. See what kind of birds we can get there. I'm thinking about putting an orange on one of these spikes. I want to see if an Oriole will come up to it. I don't know what else comes up to fruit other than Orioles. That's what I'm going for. That's the goal. We'll see what happens. But I like those things. Big fan of the birds. I'm an old man. Leave me alone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.